Away from such matters now to judicial issues, the Osun State High Court in Osogbo has sentenced Dr. Abdulrahman Adedoyin, owner of Hilton Hotel Ile-Ife, and others to death by hanging for being culpable and found guilty in the murder case of Timothy Adegoke, master student of the Obafemi, a former master student of the Obafemi Awolowo University Ile-Ife. Adegoke had died in controversial circumstances at the Hilton Hotel Ile-Ife belonging to Adedoyin in November 2021. Delivering the judgment, the Chief Judge of Osun State, Justice Adekwele Ojo, held that Abdulrahman Adedoyin Kazim Oyetunde and Adeniyi Adirogba were guilty of the charges against them and sentenced to death by hanging. They were also sentenced to serve different jail terms for other offences committed, such as conspiracy, unlawful interference with the deceased body in an attempt to cover up. Adekwele Ojo held that the vehicle which was used by the accused persons to convey the body of Adegoke to where he was buried and finally discovered, as well as the hotel belonging to Adedoyin, be forfeited to the state. She also held that the children of late Timothy Adegoke's education were placed under the sponsorship of Abdulrahman Adedoyin's estate up to the university level and completion of the National Youth Service Corps.
The first defendant is Dr. Raymond Adedoyin, and he has been convicted for conspiracy to commit murder and murder, among other counts preferred against him. The third defendant is Adeniyi Adirogba. He was the manager of the hotel. He was the one that admitted that himself, Rahim Adedoyin, who is now at large, the fifth defendant, evacuated the dead body of the late Timothy Adegoke from the hotel, from room 305 where he was lodged, and evacuated it and dumped him at Ede Road. They both admitted and they were convicted for their various roles in the entire case. So the fifth defendant is Oyetunde Kazim. He was also a money manager as well in the same hotel. So the three of them, including the seventh defendant, have been convicted for conspiracy to commit murder and murder.
The range of the sentence?
For the conspiracy, they were convicted for 10 years imprisonment, and for some other offenses, they were convicted for life imprisonment. And the other one, the ultimate conviction, was that they were convicted to death by hanging. Justice has been well served in this case, in the sense that the late Timothy Adegoke did not die in vain.
The second and the second defendant and the second defendant and the fourth defendant was actually discharged and acquitted, of course, and the fifth defendant was convicted. Yeah, in line with the provisions of the law, we will consult with our clients